Let's go.
Cow gives milk. Lion eats meat. Which animal is tall? Giraffe. Which bird is white in color? Pigeon. Which fruit is yellow in color? Banana. Which animal live in water? Fish. We smell with nose. We have fingers. 5. We see different objects with eyes. What is used during rain? Umbrella. Monkey eats banana. Rice is eaten by spoon. Point out green color. Green. Point out rose. Rose. King of jungle. Lion. Mention rabbit in this picture. Rabbit. Hen lays egg. Color of rose. Red.